we are going to talk about glycifulvin, a commonly used antifungal agent in dermatophyte infections. First, we'll talk about the pharmacology and mechanism of action. Glycifulvin is available only for oral administration. It's a fungistatic drug used only for dermatophyte infections. So when the drug is ingested, the drug is absorbed and they accumulate in keratinized tissues, for example, sternoconium of the skin, hair and nails, right? So when the dermatophytes cause infection in these tissues, right? Because they feed on keratin. So when they feed on keratin, they will ingest the medications too, right? So glycifulvin enters the fungal cells and binds to the tubulin of the microtubules, and that results in disruption of the microtubules. So this causes inhibition of mitosis. So that I have explained that in the picture here, right? In the writing here, the colored writing, glycifulvin, right, concentrates on keratinized tissues such as hair, nails, sternoconium, right? And so the dermatophytes feed on keratin. So glycifulvin enters the fungal cells and causes microtubule disruption, right? So that results in inhibition of mitosis. When you talk about the clinical indications, is only for dermatophyte infections, right? But the duration is usually, most of the infection we have to use it for at least for 1 month, right? But in the case of nail infections, is longer treatment, usually for 6 months, right? When we talk about the adverse effects are very infrequent, very rare. Headache is the most common side effect on long-term usage. Hepatotoxicity can occur rarely, right? The drug can be teratogenic. So for that reason, the drug is best avoided in pregnant mothers, right? It also has drug interactions. Glycifulvin induces cytochrome P450 enzymes, right? So it may reduce the efficacy of the medications metabolized by the same enzyme system. For example, oral contraceptives, digoxin, warfarin. So if your patient, right, is on oral contraceptives, digoxin and warfarin, and you are going to start on glycifulvin, you might have to increase the dosages of those medications because their efficacy might be lower because of the induction of cytochrome P450 enzymes. Right? That's all about the glycifulvin. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below, and also please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future lectures. Thank you.